morning we're at a different job and we've just got a bit of skirting to put around here. Hey mate. What was it? It was 200 subscribers. We hit 200 subscribers, which is... And Pato and I made a little pact. Once I hit 200 subscribers, he was going to do 10 handstand push-ups.
3 maybe. I need the wall. I'm gonna cheat.
You gonna cheat? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9. Did I miscount that? I got distracted by the neighbour. Hey, well done, mate. Well done. Deal done. So what happens on the next milestone, bro?
I got to do them without the wall, I guess.
Yeah? So what number should we settle on?
We go 5,
500?
We'll take it to 5.
Give you a bit more time? Alright, so 500, 10 handstand push-ups without the wall.
Balancing, eh? Fuck.
Yeah, mission. Back at the LSE job. Oh. The only reason we went to this job this morning, is because the rain has been stopping us from doing the cladding. So the majority of it on this wall. Nice. Oh, the rain's here again.
It's a lovely day.
A lovely day. Pato and I managed to get a couple more on anyway.
Just around it, mate.
Which is
a little weather sometimes.
That's it. This is renovations in the winter. It's kind of shit, but you know, we make it work, make it work. It's looking beautiful, mate. It's looking beautiful. Oh. So this is 2 days in a row now. There's Pato. Hey? Holy shit, it's hailing. So I think today's over. Not much of a video today. Tune in for the next episode where we'll continue cladding. Well, the good news is, yep, it's pretty shit today. But tomorrow,
Sunshine, lollipop.
and it looks pretty good for the rest of the week as well. So we'll be able to get some cladding done.